I used ChatGPT like a complete beginner with no skills at all. And here's what happened. Everyone online says ChatGPT is powerful, but what if you have zero experience, no skills, no idea where to start? So I decided to test it myself like a complete beginner. I started with a very simple question, just like any beginner would do. I asked how I can start making money online as a complete beginner. ChatGPT gave me some ideas. So I decided to try one of them. I asked it to create a Fiverr gig description for a beginner service. And honestly, the result looked pretty good, but I still wasn't sure what to do next. At this point, I got a little confused, what should I actually do with this? How do I turn this into something real? So I asked ChatGPT to explain everything, step by step. I wanted a clear plan, something a complete beginner can follow. And this time, things started to make sense. After trying a few things, I finally understood how this works. It's not just about asking random questions. You need to ask the right prompts and actually take action. So here's the truth. ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not magic. It can guide you, but you still have to do the work. If you're a complete beginner, this is actually a great place to start. And if you want, I can test more ideas like this. Subscribe and let me know in the comments.